Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. Javascript unit testing is a software testing technique where individual components or functions of a program are tested in isolation to ensure they work as expected. This process helps identify bugs early and facilitates easier maintenance and refactoring of code. A popular approach to unit testing in JavaScript is test-driven development, a methodology that emphasizes writing tests before writing the actual code. It encourages developers to think about the requirements and design of their code upfront, leading to better structured and more reliable software. Having a robust unit testing strategy, whether through or regular unit tests, is essential for modern JavaScript development. It enhances code quality, reduces the likelihood of regression issues, and improves collaboration among team members. Additionally, automated tests can save time in the long run by providing fast feedback during development, making them a valuable practice for any serious JavaScript project.